Narowal is a small city in Punjab, Pakistan. And a man from Narowal, 31-year-old Ihsan, was having a job in Lahore. He used to return Friday evening and then Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, 3 nights at his home in Narowal, where he was living with his parents and sisters and brothers, and then leaving for Lahore on Monday morning by train. He was sitting on a railway station at a railway station on Monday morning and waiting for the arrival of his train. There he saw a lady with the 2 year old, approximately 2 year old son in her lap, was sitting on a nearby bench. There were a lot of vendors selling different type of snacks, and the boy was eager to buy something, but his mom was not able to do that. After watching him, the boy, craving for some snack, he bought something in 100 rupees and gave it to him. She was happy, the boy was very happy. But there was a deep thought and brooding. The lady was brooding. The man, Ehsan, who bought the few snacks for the boy, came to her and asked, "Ma'am, you look quite upset. May I help you?" She, who was already very happy on his generous and kind gesture of buying something for her son to eat, she replied that I have to travel to Lahore but I don't have a ticket. Ehsan said, "No problem, don't worry. I will buy one for you as well." And he bought. During the travel, Ehsan asked her, "You can share your story with me if you want to, or if you feel confident." She, who was already very obliged and impressed by the very generous gesture of Ehsan, she told that my husband died few months back. He too was having a job in Lahore. I was living in Narowal. He used to come on weekends, but he was a drug addict. He used to beat me. He died while he was going somewhere on a motorbike in a traffic accident. I am traveling to Lahore to visit his office where he used to work, and I will ask them to give me the money which belonged to him, as I am his widow. Ihsan said, "Okay, I will accompany you there, and jointly we will put your case there." Both of them visited that place. but they were shocked to know that the late husband has mentioned and given the name of his father as a beneficiary. And the office people told that the father has taken away the money, as he knew that he is the beneficiary, and there is nothing left for you from your husband, from your late husband. It was like the worst kind of words and news which he got from there. A lady who was already very upset and penniless is now in a state of shock. One bad news after another. It was very much disturbing for her. Isan asked him to accompany him and can live with him for a day or two if you want to. She knew that back home, her in laws are very much unempathetic, unkind, and her own parents too are not so caring, not so well off. She thought that I will try to do something in Lahore. Maybe I will work at a factory or in the house of somebody from where I could earn some money for me to live to survive. Ihsan asked him that I will help you in finding a job in Lahore. Ihsan was a man of good kind heart. He kept her at his residence, allowed her to stay at his residence, where he provided her with the food. It was a one room accommodation. She slept inside while Ihsan slept outside that. There Ihsan saw that she herself is so caring, so tender heart, and so good of mind that she transformed his residence, which was earlier chaotic, messy. The residence of Ihsan was now giving quite a good look. She was healthy. She herself too was a good looking as well, although poorly dressed. And she gave a very good touch to the bachelor accommodation of Ihsan. Ihsan was unmarried. He told her, I too belong to Narwal. My parents, my siblings are living there. I am unmarried. Will you like to marry me? This was a great opportunity for her. Indeed, she asked a question. Will you accept my child as a son of your own? Will your parents and brothers and sisters accept me as I'm a widow? I have boy, son boy. Talk to your people at home. And he did. He spoke to his father and spoke to the sisters and brothers, as all others were married and unmarried and living in the same house with the parents. Now, they too were very kind hearted. Fortunately, the parents, the siblings of his son too, were of good nature. They all replied, particularly the parents, if you are happy, we are okay. We have no problem with it. It's all up to you. Ihsan was quite a kind hearted, quite a sensible man. He used to say Salah 5 times a day, and his parents too. It was quite a practicing religious family. They didn't care much what the other people will say. Ihsan liked her, was slightly impressed by her as well. The way she took care of his accommodation. Ihsan, who was earlier eating from outside, she cooked good food at home. And then Ihsan and she came back. Ihsan got 2 weeks leave from his office that it's my own marriage. I need 2 weeks off, which was granted. Both of them came and lived, she too lived with the parents and siblings of Ihsan for 2 days. Ihsan had a great idea, a novel idea. He told that he want to have a wedding ceremony at the railway station where they met. It was somewhat funny, but nobody objected. Neither the lady who is going to be the wife of a son nor the parents, and they did that. Where only fewer people from Ihsan's side participated, and the parents of lady as well. Some of the people who were travelers were also entertained with the food they brought. The next day, Walima was held at a wedding hall. It is a real story. Now, both of them are living happily. The parents too are happy. They're already cooperative. They were already cooperative, kind hearted. And now, Ihsan really loves the child so much as he is his own son, son of Ihsan. And the child too thinks that he is my father. He don't know 2 year old son. Maybe it would be in his mind somewhere in the subconscious mind. But somehow he loves his son loves him like their father and son. She takes great care of her husband Isan. Isan, his parents and his siblings treat the lady as their own family member, and all rights of the wife of Isan has been given to her. It is a real great story. I wish that they both receive all sort of happiness. It is indeed something great that parents, the father and the parents, it is really a great news that the husband and wife love each other so much, take care of each other so much. And I think that if at all the people have an attitude like Ihsan, Pakistan will become a great country indeed. Our nation will become a great nation indeed. Although the contribution of the lady is not that much, but she too is quite a responsible person. Quite a responsible person. And she has brought a very good positive change. in the life of Isan. Isan was already leading a good life. They were contented people. But now Isan, his parents, his siblings are feeling even better. So I think that it is an attitude which should be adopted by the majority of people in Pakistan. Thank you very much.